Hello, my name is Angela Núñez, and I am an English coach and traveling towards Lake Caima. And Lake Caima is located in the Valle del Cauca, and department de Republic Colombia, on the road that goes from Buga and to Buenaventura. And what can you on these sites? And one, and visit the Caima Archaeological Museum, and you must also travel the trail of Caima, and you have to practice paddling, and you should come for 1 or 2 nights, and you have to take kids surfing lessons, and you must be reconnected with the Caima mountains. And travel tips. If you are going to go to Caima, and during the day you stool, wear summer and clothes in the temperature is within 25 degrees and in the 15 degrees Celsius. And to get to Lake Caima, you must take Trans-Caima, which provides the service from Cali to Caima Darien, or you with and superstitions. If you get the boat, you will feel kickstand trees that they never failed, house and the peeling of our brides. If you arrive in the afternoon of with no the apple safe, because on this time and the will because great possibility of sweating the meat and when to depending on these temperatures is maybe traveling to the place in the month of June and tropical climate where to start. If you go to Lake Caima, you have to stay at Nirvana House Hotel with oyster and account or balcony of patio, the free Wi-Fi and flat screen TV and access to garden with barbecue and what to drink and lulada, cholado, borojó, champús y masato. And transportations to get to Lake Caima and to Can Motors and Suile and Car and Trans-Caima. And lenguaje, his night lenguaje Hispanic. Currency is in the Lexus Caima currency is pesos, y the topping and tipping is placed is voluntary. Thank you so much.